Today we will start the first chapter of class 5 maths. The name of the chapter is the fish tail. Have you seen fish? Yes. Fish have different types of sizes and shapes. Some are small, very small, and some are very big. The smallest fish is 1 centimeter long. The biggest fish, the name of the biggest fish is whale shark. Do you know the length of the whale shark? The length of the whale shark is 18 meter. 18 meter long. But the length of the smallest fish is 1 centimeter. But the length of the whale shark is 18 meter long. Can you imagine the length of the whale shark? Now you see how many smallest fish are there in one whale shark. That is, you equate the length of the whale shark with the 1 centimeter smallest fish. Now you convert meter into centimeter. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 18 meter is equal to 18 into 100. 18 into 100. That is, what is the product? How many zeros are there? 2 in 100, 2 zeros are there. Therefore, the product of 18 into 100 is 1800. Okay, or you can say it as 1800. What is its unit? Its unit is centimeter. Therefore, 18 meter is equal to 1800 centimeter. So, the length of the whale shark is equate to the how many smallest fish? That is 1800 smallest fish. Okay. Now you convert this how much the length of you. That is, you are reading in class 5. The length most probably the length of your height is about 150 centimeter. Okay, therefore, how many students like you will be equate to the length of one whale shark? Length of you, that is, your height is let your height is 150 centimeter. Now, number of students like you equate to one length of one whale shark. That is, your height is 150 centimeter and the length of the whale shark is 1800 centimeter. Therefore, number of students like you is equal to how much? That is 18. How do you get it? 1800 divided by 150. Now, do you know how to divide it? Now, listen one thing. In maths, there are 4 operations. Okay, you know, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition, subtraction and multiplication, we start from which place? We start from unit place or ones place. Okay, that is the lowest place. Now we add 44 plus 22, 44 minus 22, 44 minus into 22. Now this place, the first place, the name of the first place is ones place and the name of the second place is tens place. First place is ones place or unit place, this one is tens place. Ones place and tens place. Now you start addition, subtraction and multiplication from ones place. Okay. But while you are doing division, you will start, that is, now you divide 1800. You divide 1800 by 150. You will start from highest place. That means how many places are there? 4. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000 place. Now you start from 1000 place. Now you cannot divide 150 by 1. So you take the second place, that is 100 place 18. Again you cannot divide this 150 by 18. Next you take third place, that is 180. This one is tens place. Now you divide 180 by 150. 150 ones are 100. Now 1 minus 1 0, 8 minus 5 is 3, 0 minus 3 is 0, and this 1 will come down, that is 0. This 0 will come down. Now 152s are 15 twos are 30, so 152s are 300. So your quotient is 12. Okay, the most important thing is you start addition, subtraction and multiplication from the lowest place, that is ones place, and division from the highest place. Clear? Now how many students are there? So 12 students are, if you will stand one above the other, so 12 students is equal to the length of the one whale shark. Weight of whale shark is 16,000 kg. Do you know what is your weight? Say, what is your weight? 32 kg. Your weight is 32 kg. Now, therefore, how many students like you? Your weight is same as whale shark's weight. How do you find it? Now, number of students is equal to 16,000 divided by 32. Again, how do you divide it? Start. You start from highest place. Okay. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That is once this one you cannot divide this one. Again take 6, 16 you cannot divide this. Now take 0, 160. 32 in the table of 160 is there. No, nearest number is 32. 5s are 5, 2s are 5s are 16. Yes, 32 5s are 160. Now minus, that is, now this 0 will come down, this 0, 0, 0, 0. Again this 0 will come down. 32 zeros are 0. Okay, so your quotient is 500. So how many students like you are equal to the weight of one whale shark? That is 500. Your number of students is 500. Okay, so the number of 500 students weight is same as one whale shark's weight. Are you clear? Now in this way you will practice the division. You will practice it. Now these are the size of the whale shark. Fish have different types of shape. With the help of geometrical shapes, you will draw different types of fish. Okay, different types of geometrical shapes are there. You know it. What is the name of this shape? This is triangle, and this one is circle. The name of this shape is square, and the name of this one is rectangle, and this one is oval shape. So with the help of these geometrical shapes, you have to draw different types of fish. You will practice it, and you practice division with the help of different types of numbers. The fishermen go to sea to catch different types of fish. When the sea is rough, that is with high tides and strong wind, they have a very difficult time to catch the fish. The fishermen catch fish with the help of different types of boat. Do you know the name of the boat? Name of the boats are the log boat, the long tail boat, motor boats and the machine boat. With the help of these boats, they catch the fish. These are the different types of boats, but the speed of the boat are also different. The log boat, the speed of the log boat is 4 km in 1 hour. So when the fishermen go 10 km, what time it will take? How do you find out? 4 km in 1 hour. Okay. Therefore, 8 kilometer. 8 kilometer means what is the relation between 4 and 8? It is 2 times more. Okay, 4 and 8, the relation is 4 2s are 10. It is 2 times. So here also we will increases 2 times. That is 1 2s are 2 hours. 4 kilometer in 1 hour. Therefore 8 kilometer in 2 hours. But 2 kilometer, it will go 2 kilometer. What time it will take? The relation between 4 and 2. What is the relation between 4 and 2? It is half. 2 is half of 4. Therefore, it is also, this one is also 1 by 2 hour. 1 by 2 hour. You know that 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, half an hour is equal to half of 60. That is, half of 60 is 30 minutes. Now your question is, in 10 kilometer, what time it will take? The fishermen go to 10 kilometer, what time it will take? Therefore, 10 kilometer, you will break this one, 10 kilometer, you will write this 8 plus 8 kilometer plus 2 kilometer. What is the time of 8 kilometer? That is 2 hours. Plus 2 kilometer, it will take time how much? That is 30 minutes. Therefore, total time is 2 hours 30 minutes. So, the speed of the logboat is 4 kilometer per hour. For going 10 kilometer, it will take 2 hours 30 minutes. Now, the speed of the motorboat is 20 kilometer in 1 hour. Speed of the motorboat is 20 kilometer per hour. So, per hour 20 kilometer. So, it will take time. How much kilometer it will go? In 3.5 hours. That is in 1 hour 20 kilometer. In 1 hour 20 kilometer. In 2 hours, that is 20 into 2. 20 into 2, that is 40 kilometer. In 3 hours, 20 into 3 is 2 3s are 6. Therefore, 60 kilometer. Now, in 3 hours, 60 kilometer. In half an hour, half of this one, that is half of 20 is 10 kilometer. Okay. So, how much it will go in 3.5 hours? 3.5 hours, in 3 hours 60 kilometer, and in half an hour it is 10 kilometer. Therefore, in 3.5 an hour, you have, that is 70 kilometer. Are you clear how to find out the time and how to find out the distance? In this way you have to find out. Next is the long tail boat. The speed of the motorboat is 20 km per hour. Now, about how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours? Speed of the motorboat. Speed of the motorboat is 20 km per hour. About how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours? That is in 1 hour. In 1 hour 20 kilometer, in 6 hours it will more or less? More. So what you will do in 6 hours? 20 into 6, that is 2 6 are 12. So 20 into 6 is 120 kilometer. Therefore, in 6 hours, in 6 hours it will go 120 kilometers. Okay. In this way, you have to find out the time and distance of different types of boats. Now, the speed of the boats are different: log boat, long tail boat, motor boat and machine boat. Chart will be shown on the screen. Now, log boat, in one trip it will carry 20 kg. Log boat, motor boat, machine boat and long tail boat, in one trip how much they carry, that is given on the chart. Now you have to find out the total how much fish they carry in 7 trips. In one trip it is given and you have to find out in 7 trips. Now log boat in one trip 20 kg, 7 trips. What you will do? In one trip it carry 20 kg. In 7 trips it is more or less? It is more. So what you will do? 20 into 7, that is 140 kg. Okay. Long tail boat, now the log boat 20 kg, but the long tail boat in one trip it will carry 600 kg. Therefore, in 7 trips, what you will do? 600 into 7, that is 6 sevens are 42, 4200 kg. Okay, in 7 trips, log boat 140 kg, in 7 trips 4200 kg. Motor boat, in one trip 800 kg, in 7 trips 7 8s are 56, that is 5600 kg. Next is machine boat. Now see the difference. In log boat 20 kg, long tail boat 600 kg, motor boat 800 kg, but the machine boat will carry 6000 kg. So machine boat in 7 trips. Now in one trip you know, and in 7 trips you know that this is 140 kg, 4200 kg, this 5600 kg and 42000 kg. Therefore, in total, how do you find out in total? What you will do? Total in 7 trips, how do you find out? Total in 7 trips, how do you find out? What you will do here? What you will do? You have to find out here each one. Log boat, motorboat, long tail boat, motorboat and machine boat. Now you add these 4, that is 140 plus 42, 4000, 140 plus 4200 plus 5600 plus 42,000. Now you find out what is the total of this one. Okay, in this way you have to find out 7 trips, and your homework is you will find out in 8 trips, 9 trips, different type, different trips, and you find out separately, then you add, you have to find out in total. You know the different places of place value chart. The places are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000 is same as 1 lakh. 10 lakh, 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is same as 1 crore. Now we write the number. 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is 10,000. This one is 100,000. This is 10 lakh. And this one is 100 lakhs. Now see, 10, 1, 10. How many zeros are there? 1 zero, 100, 1000, 3 zeros are there, 10,000, 4 zeros are there. In 1 lakh or 100,000, in 100,000 that is same as 1 lakh. In 1 lakh, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. This is 10 lakh. And 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is same as 1 crore. In 1 crore, 7 zeros are there. This is the place value chart. Now, see different field. We start the chapter the fish tail. In different types of fish are there. You know it. The name of the fish are swordfish, squid, prawns, kingfish, sardines, etc. Basir has 100 rupees. He spends 1/4 of Basir has 100 rupees. He spends 1/4 of 100 rupees on squid and 3/4 of 100 rupees on prawn. So how much rupees, how much money does he spend on squid? How do we find out? 1/4 of 100 rupees, 1/4 of 100 rupees is, how much it is? That this is 100 divided by 4. That is 25 fours are 100. So your answer is 25 rupees. And 3/4 of 100 rupees. 3/4 of 100 is, how do you find out? 3/4 of 100. That is 300 divided by 4. You divide it. 4 twos are 4 sevens are 28 minus 4 fives are, so how much it is? That is 75 rupees. So Basir spends 25 rupees on squid and 75 rupees on prawn. In that village, 20 fisherwomen made a bank. The name of the bank is Meenkar's bank. Fazila is the president of that bank. They saves, every month they saves 25 rupees. 20 fisherwomen are there. Twenty fisherwomen and they save 25 rupees every month. So how much money they saves every month? How do you find out? How much money they save? How much money does the group collect every month? 20 into 25 rupees. That is, your product is 25 twos are 50. So one more zeros is there. Therefore, your product is 500 rupees. So 20 fisherwomen saves every month. How much rupees? 500 rupees. So how much money will be collected in 10 years? In 1 month they will save 500 rupees. In 10 years how much money will be collected? How do we find out? That is 1 month 500 rupees. 10 years means 1 year is equal to, do you know 1 year is equal to how many months? 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay. Therefore 10 years is equal to 12 into 10. That is 120 months. In 120 months, how much money they will collect? In 1 month, they collect how much? That is rupees 500. In 120 months, they will collect how much? 500 into 120. That is 500 into 120. What is the product? Can you find out? 12 fives are, you know that 12 fives are 600. 12 fives are 60. Sorry, 12 fives are 60. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. That is 60. 3 more zeros. That is 60,000 rupees. So in 10 years is same as 120 months. In 10 years, they will collect 60,000 rupees. Clear? How do you find out the product? In 1 month, 500 rupees. In 120 months, 60,000 rupees they saves. The fisherwomen made the bank. They can take when they need money, they can take the loan from the bank and they will return the money with interest. Now, Gracie took a loan to buy a net. She took a loan of 4,000 rupees from the bank. But she paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. In 1 month, she paid 345 rupees to the bank. So, in 1 year, how much money will she pay? Same as 1 year is equal to 12 months. So, therefore, in 12 months, it is more or less. In 1 month, rupees 345. In 12 months, it is more. So, what we will do? We will product it. That is 345 into 12. Now, you multiply this one 345 into 12. How to find out? Now, first you multiply 2 by 345. 2 5s are 0, 8, 9, 6. 5, 4, 3. Now you add this one. 0, 5 plus 9 plus 5 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 carry, that is 4. So your product is 4140. That is 4,140 rupees. 4,140. Gracie took a loan for 4,000 rupees and she paid back how much? Rupees 4,140. Okay. So what is the interest? 4,140 minus 4,000, that is 140 rupees is the interest to pay extra to the bank. Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a logboat. They paid back rupees 23,520 in 1 year. So, how much money did they pay in every month? How much money? How to find out? In they paid back 23,520 in 1 year. That is in 1 year, 1 year is equal to 12 months. In 12 months, they paid back rupees 23,520. So in 1 month, it is more or less, must be less. So what you will do, you divide this 23,520 divided by 12. Okay, now how to divide this? 12 ones are 12, minus it, that is 1 1, and 5 will come down. 12 nines are 108. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, 7, and these 2 will come down. 12 6 are 72. Now this 0 will come down. So 12 zeros are 0. So your quotient is 1960, that is 1960 rupees. So in every month, so in 1 month they will pay rupees 1960. Okay. In 12 months they paid 23,520, and in 1 month they will pay rupees 1960. They took a loan of 21,000, but they paid back 23,520 rupees. Now, what is the extra money or interest? 23,520 minus 21,000. The amount is the interest there, the extra money they paid to the bank. The women of the fish Meenkar's bank want to start a factory to dry the fish. We know that when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. In a month, they plan to dry the fish. How much? That is 6,000 kg of fresh fish they will plan to dry it. How much dried fish they will get in 1 month? They plan to dry 6,000 kg fresh fish in 1 month. So what is the dry fish amount of dry fish? Dry fish is equal to how much it is? Dry fish 1/3 of 6,000. 1/3 of 6,000 is 6,000 divided by 3. Dry fish is equal to 2,000 kg. Fresh fish is equal to, so 6,000 kg fresh fish is same as 2,000 kg of dry fish. Let us calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. Now, this is the chart of rate. We buy fresh fish for 15 rupees per kg. We sell dried fish for 70 rupees per kg. Now, we dry 6 kg fresh fish to get what is how much dried fish? 6 divided, it's 1/3. That is 6 divided by 3 is 2 kg. We dry 6 kg fresh fish to get 2 kg dried fish. Okay. Now, for 6 kg fresh fish, we have to pay how much? The rate is, fresh fish, the rate per kg, its rate is 15 rupees. So, for 6 kg fresh fish, we have to pay 6 into 15. 15 6 are rupees 19. 90. Okay. 15 6 are 90. So, for 6 kg fresh fish, we have to pay 90 rupees. we will sell 2 kg dried fish and get 2 into its rate is we sell dried fish for 70 rupees per kg. For 2 kg, 2 into 70, its rate is 72s are 140. So, if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we earn how much? When we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we earn 140 rupees minus 90 rupees. 140 minus 90. 140 minus 90 is 50. Okay, rupees 50. So, if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we earn 50 rupees. When for 6 kg, we earn 50 rupees. For 6000 kg, how much we will earn? 50 into 1000. That is, what is the relation? 6 and 1000, it is how many times it is more? 1000 times more. So, here also we have to multiply it by 1000. For 6 kg, rupees 50. For 6000 kg, it is 50 into 1000. That is 50,000 rupees. Okay. So, when we dry 6000 kg, we earn 50,000 rupees. To dry the fish, it needs some salt. So, for 6000 kg fish, they need 1500 kg salt. The price of salt per kg is 2 rupees. So, the cost of 1 kg salt is 2 rupees. The cost of 1500 kg salt, the cost of 1500 kg salt is, how much it is? Cost of 1 kg is 2 rupees, 1500 kg is 15 twos are 300. So, it is 3000. Okay. 15 twos are 30 and 2 more zeros, that is 3000 rupees. The cost of salt for 6000 kg of fresh fish is 3000 rupees. And the packing and bus charges. Packing and bus charges is rupees 3000. So, the total cost, the total monthly cost of drying, packing and bus charges is, here is 3000 and here is 3000. That is 3000 plus 3000. It is rupees 6000. Okay. So, the total monthly cost of drying, packing and bus charges of 6000 kg of fresh fish, the cost is 6000 rupees, and they earn for 6000 kg of fresh fish, they earn previously 50,000 rupees, and the cost of drying, packing and bus charges is 6000 rupees. So, every month their bank will earn how much rupees? That is 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees they will earn, and these are the cost. 3000 plus 3000 is equal to 6000 rupees. This is the cost of monthly cost of drying, packing and bus charges. So, 50,000 minus rupees 6000. That is, you subtract this, 50 minus 6 is 44. So, it is 44,000. So, every month their bank will earn 44,000 rupees. So, they will make in this type, they will make the profit.